So once you start making money on TikTok, you're going to have to know how to withdraw that money from your TikTok account to your bank account. And this is not actually as simple of a process as you might think. There are a number of ways to actually withdraw your money from TikTok. So in this video, we're going to be diving into my phone. I'm going to show you the best method to use and the easiest method to getting that money out of your TikTok to your bank account. So let's dive right into my phone and get started. All right, so here we are inside my phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from your TikTok account. So first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your profile like we are right here by tapping on that little me guy in the bottom right-hand corner. From there, the next step is going to be tap on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. And from here, you're going to click on balance. So this is where your money is actually going to be held within TikTok. And from this screen, you're going to be able to view if any of your money is actually ready to withdraw. Because on TikTok, you do have to wait about 30 days from the end of the month before you can withdraw money. So I'm recording this video at the beginning of March, so I'm able to withdraw January's money right now. That's the $1,084 that you see on my screen right now. That is January's Creator Fund income. Now from here, you're going to tap on income to withdraw your money, and TikTok is going to send you a digital verification code to a verification app that you have set up. So I'm going to grab that code and I'll be right back. All right, so I just put in my verification code here, and now we are taken to my Income Plus screen. Personally, I use the Google Authenticator app, and that just allows me to get these codes generated so I can just enter them right into my app and go right here to my Income Plus withdrawal screen. Now, before you can actually withdraw your money from TikTok, you're going to have to set up a withdrawal method. So if you tap on this bottom guy right here, this is withdrawal method. It's going to show you there are two different options. You can either use PayPal, or if you press add a new withdrawal method, you can see that you could also set up a Zell account. So personally, I prefer PayPal just because you don't need a bank account to do it, and it's available in more places than Zell is, but it totally depends on you and what you're more comfortable with. I've just added my PayPal account here. And if you wanted to connect your PayPal account to your TikTok account, all you would do is tap on the PayPal guy. It would prompt you to log into your PayPal account. You would do that, and then it would sync up to your TikTok account so you can withdraw straight to there. Now from here, let's actually withdraw my money from TikTok. So we're going to go back to that Income Plus main screen here, and we're going to tap on the withdraw button. Now, for me, this is the first time that I'm actually withdrawing money from TikTok, so it's going to prompt me to fill out a tax form. This is going to be a W-9 form, and they're going to need this to verify I am who I say I am and to report my income to the IRS, because I'm going to be taxed on my TikTok income. I've got a whole video about how TikTok taxes work. You can check that out up here, but I'm going to be taxed on this income. They need to know who I am, and they need to tell the IRS, hey, we just paid Apple $1,084. Make sure he pays taxes on that. So let's tap on this continue button here. And it's going to prompt me to fill out this tax form. I don't want to expose all my personal information, so I'll be back with you once I've gotten this all filled out. All right, so got the W-9 filled out, and now the income is en route to my PayPal account. Nice and easy. Keep in mind that you will have to put your social security number on this W-9 form so that TikTok can tell the IRS exactly who you are. So if you see that on there, don't be sketched out. They need that to tell the IRS who you are and that you're going to owe taxes on that income. Now, one other thing that I want to mention here is that there is a $100 minimum threshold before you can actually withdraw money on TikTok. So what this translates into in terms of views is about 2.5 million views given the current pay rate for the Creator Fund. So you need about 2.5 million views once you're in the Creator Fund just to be eligible for a payout. That's about when you're going to make $100. So keep that in mind. Now that you know how to withdraw your money from TikTok, the next thing you should do is watch this video where I give a very in-depth look at the Creator Fund and everything that you need to know about it in terms of how to actually get paid, how to make the most money possible with the Creator Fund, and all of that good stuff. So check out this video over here, and I will see you over there.